Hi guys, it's Lizzie from the Academy team, and this morning DJI announced the newest member to their popular Mavic lineup, the Mavic Air 2. Now if you haven't seen the announcement yet, then fear not, because here are the headlines. Firstly, the sensor has been upgraded from its predecessor, the Mavic Air. Not only is it now a 1/2-inch CMOS sensor, so it's larger, but it's also got more megapixels, 48 to be precise, so you'll be able to capture some stunning photos, and this also enables you to shoot 8K hyperlapses. You're guaranteed to get absolutely incredible photos straight out of the drone with Smart Photo. This will give you a higher dynamic range, color optimization, and noise reduction. When it comes to video, the Mavic Air 2 will record 4K at 60p. You've also got a bunch of full HD recording options and the choice to shoot slow-mo up to 240 frames per second. What else have we got? We've got HDR video. We've also got a maximum flight time of 34 minutes, which is the longest with any of the Mavic series. Automatic obstacle avoidance, OcuSync 2.0, allowing you to fly longer and see clearer with a better connection, but please remember to fly within your country's rules and regulations and keep visual line of sight of your drone. For those of you who want to concentrate more on the flying than the shooting, but you still want to get those really banging pro-like shots, then DJI have knocked it out of the park again with their tracking modes. And if you just want to push a button and be done with it, then the Mavic 2 Air also has all of those quick shot options that we have loved from their previous drones. Couldn't be more simple to capture brilliant footage. And what do you want to do with all of those photos and footage if you don't want to spend hours editing away on some software? Well, use the DJI Fly app and you can edit and upload all in a few clicks of a button. That's all the specs, so how about now we unbox this drone? First impressions, well, what can you say other than DJI have done it again? They've absolutely smashed it out of the park when it comes to the styling of their drones. So the Mavic Air 2 takes on a very similar design now to the Mavic Pro, Mavic Pro 2 and Mavic Mini. Fits quite nicely in between, nice and small, nice and lightweight, still with a banging camera. But it is definitely something I can see going in a bag on a day's adventure to be able to capture that awesome footage. The remote controller, although you might think it's quite large, quite chunky, again, there's not much going on with it, so there is lots of room for you to hold it however you want to, rest your thumbs wherever you want to, without smashing into any buttons and freaking out that something bad is going to happen. So I'm a fan of this controller, and also a big fan of their removable nipply joysticks, which when they first introduced I thought it was the best thing in the world ever. Store right in the bottom of your remote control, and you get a spare set in the box too. Happy days. I am very excited for the day when I can get out and actually fly this guy. I'll take it on a day out and I will share the footage with you guys, but for now, here is some sample footage that DJI sent us. hope you guys can appreciate this was just a real quick first look, as there isn't really much that we're able to do from the safety of our own homes, #lockdown living, but as soon as we are able to go back out into the world, we will give the DJI Mavic Air 2 a full review. So leave in the comments below any of the features you really want us to test out for you. And if you want to find out any more information on the DJI Mavic Air 2, head over to jessops.com now. If you've enjoyed this video, then give us a like. Don't forget to hit subscribe and smash that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all of our latest content. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one.